Thank you guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to edit your videos from scratch. I just installed my Premiere Pro and I'll be showing you how to edit videos using the Premiere Pro. When you open Premiere Pro for the first time, it looks like this. Yeah, there is this tab, this big tab here, and or this window. It will ask you if you need to have a new project and open project. Because this is a beginner lesson, we are going to start on open project. So you have to open new project. After opening like that, there is a setting here. So on this setting, you are going to fill the name of your project. I can say beginner lesson. So after that, what you want to find the location that you're going to save your project, you can save, but I will leave it as default as Premiere Pro and 14. You can select any folder. Even if you can select a folder from desktop, you can make one folder and then you can say my edit. So you can make a folder and then you are going to save all your editing data on that project. So after that, you don't need to change any other setting here. Just leave this or like this, same as project, leave them like that, and then you have to click OK. After that, these windows will open and you can click editing because you are going to edit a video. So after that, you can see this window here. There's this window here which will be using to preview. This where you will be importing your media here, and here is the main sequence. This sequence, this is called a sequence because this is where you'll be editing all your video at. Without wasting our time, let's import our first video. So you have, if you want to import the video, you can click here for the first time, or you can click here file, you go to import, or you can click control I, and you're going to import any video. So let me import just a small video like this. Like I can import something like this, just a sample video. So when you import your videos, it's stored here. So I have imported my video. So the next thing after importing my video is how to preview your video. Your video, you'll be using this is called the preview monitor. Its work is to preview your video before editing. So if you want to preview your video, you have to double click here, double click like that, and then your video will be here. You can preview it here. So this is just a preview window, the view that you will be using to just see your video before importing it to your sequence. After that, you are going to click, if you want a part of the video, you can just find a part of the video. Like here you can say in, and then you can say O. If we click like that, in and out, this means that this part, just this part of the video will be imported to the sequence. So, and then you can import your audio only, or you can import your video only using these two buttons. There's this button that is called drag video only, and this is called drag audio only. So this is which you will be using to drag just video only. But if you want to drag your audio and video, you can drag it through here. You just have to hold your mouse like this. You hold the left click like this, and then you can import your video, just this part of the video. You can see your sequence is ready. But if you want to import your video only, like what I want to do, you can just click this button, left click, and then you can drag it here. So after that, you can preview your video here. You can preview your video like that. Next, if you want to cut another part of the video, you can come here and preview a part like this, and then you can just drag your video only here. So you can make this short. We are going just to edit our video, very simple. So like that, you have the other part like that. So if you need another part, you just find the appropriate part that you want in your video, and then you just press I on your keyboard, and then up to where you want to cut, you can press O on your keyboard, and then you can just drag your video like this. So you can see we have just edited something like that. Remember, this is a beginner lesson. If you are starting video editing or you are advancing your video editing techniques, there is something else that I will show that will be helpful. It's about these tools here. The main tool that we shall be using are a selection tool. This tool, if you click this tool, is used just to select a part of the video in the sequence. You can click this, and then you can click this video we have imported. If you want to change its position, you can just hold a drag to another position. This is the work of this tool. Another tool we'll be using is the fourth tool. It's called a razor tool. Razor tool is used to cut a part of the video in the sequence. Let's say you are playing your video like this, and from that part you want to cut it. You have just to click like that, and then you can come and hold using this tool, selection tool, and then if you want to delete, you can just click like that, and then you can hold delete key on your keyboard like that. You can delete if you want this video to just restore them to their position. You can drag like that. So these tools are very useful. Another tool we'll be using is the title tool. The title tool is used to create a title on your video. So you can hold that, the create tool, and then you can just hold like that, and then you are going to type your titles just using the title tool. So like that, you can see that our title is here now. You can come here and write your title. You can write our title here, my video. Yeah, so we will be advancing on how to create titles, how to edit your videos, but this was just the basics of video editing. Now you know about the preview monitor. The program monitor is used to preview the editing data on your sequence, or the editing. When editing videos, you can preview them on your program monitors. And then you have the preview monitor, which is used to preview video before taking it to this sequence. Yeah, so guys, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If this was helpful, guys, remember to subscribe to this channel, like and leave a comment, because this is a very good tutorial. By the way, thank you so much guys. I'm trying my best to make sure that you understand video editing. Thank you guys. Till next time, my name is Fred Moore. We shall meet on the next tutorial. Guys, remember to subscribe to this channel and share this video widely. Thank you so much.